In this video, we will learn how to find the greater of two numbers using Python. Let's get started. First of all, we take the input from the user. Now we convert the input function type into the int type because by default input function returns answer in the string type, and here we deal with the numbers, so we cannot compare two numbers under the string. Therefore, finally convert the type of string into the int type. Now use the if condition to check which number is greater. So here we take input from the user and compare which number is greater than another number and print out the message. Now what if we enter here the equal number? Then so it will still print the else condition in the case of equal number. So here we need to make a little bit change. So I will convert it into the elif condition. Elif means the another if condition, and define the else condition now, that if the first number is greater than the second number, this message will be printed on, and if the second number is greater than first number, then this message will print it on. Otherwise, at the end, both numbers are equal. Now we'll make true the else condition where both numbers are equal. Perform the same action using while loop. But here while loop will be infinite. It means the user will decide whether the program will stop or not. So while true, meaning that I did not define any condition to make stop the while loop. Therefore, while loop will run forever until user decides to stop it. Paste the conditional statement from the above example because it is same. This all will come under the while loop because we want the user to enter the number again and over again to check which number is greater. Now while loop is always true, so program will never stop. Let's check once. Now check elif condition. Now check else condition. Look at down here that we have checked all the conditions, but still we have been asking to enter the number. It means the while loop is true and there is no condition to stop the while loop. So to stop the while loop, now we define here the if condition where user will be asked whether the program have to run and not. So I define here if condition taking permission from the user. After that, command will come over to the ask user, where user will be asked to whether the user wants to check again or not. If user enters y, then while loop will run again and follow the same steps and will come over to the command again on this. And now if user enters anything except y, then command will be break. So now let's check. Now user have been asking to whether user wants to check again or not. So I write here y Again, it is asking. Now I write here N to stop the command. Now let's move ahead and perform the same action using def function. First of all, I define the function name, pass two parameter that will take the number as an input. Copy the code from above because the code is almost same. So here instead of print function, I will return the first number. Return the second number if the second number is greater than first number. Else return the statement that both numbers are equal. Now take input from the user and store it in a variable. Now call the function and pass the value to the parameter and print the message. So here I define the function name first and pass two parameters that will take the input from the user in the form of integer. After that, the condition will be checked based on the number. Here I define two numbers and stored in the parameter by calling the function and finally print the message. Thank you so much for watching this video. This video ends here. Have a great day.